What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking L. We're getting ready for a mini. Close this one. 6 spots up for grabs. 2, 2, 1, and 1. So top 4. Good luck. It is 10:38 in Newfoundland. Here is your list. Chris down to Keith. Good luck, folks. 4 randoms. 1, 2, 3. Is a timestamp. Copy the third one over, and our timestamp says 10:38. 10:38. We're on our last and final, looking for top 4. And there you have it. We got Colby, Cody, Jonathan, and Chris. So 2 spots each for Colby and Cody, and 1 for Jonathan and Chris. Let's get your 4th and final timestamp copied over. 4th and final says 10:38, and 10:38 it is. So congratulations again. Spot 4, 5, 7, and 1 are the lucky ones after 4. We'll see you for the break in about 15 minutes. Thanks, guys.